Hi there, and thank you for choosing PDR Skilled Crew for your auto hail repair needs. PDR stands for Paintless Dent Repair, a specialized method of removing hail dents without using paint or fillers. It's faster, cleaner, and preserves your vehicle's original factory finish. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how our process works, so you'll know what to expect from start to finish. We'll show you how to schedule your inspection, how we handle your insurance, what happens on repair day, and how we keep everything easy, fast, and completely hassle-free right at your workplace. First, when this video ends, you'll be directed to a quick authorization form. This gives us permission to work directly with your insurance provider, so you don't have to worry about a thing. To get started, please have your insurance claim number handy along with your deductible amount, even though we'll be covering that for you. Once the form is submitted, check your inbox for a calendar link to schedule your on-site inspection. Our tent is set up right here in your workplace parking lot. On the day of your appointment, just bring your vehicle over to the tent. We'll take care of the rest while you go about your day. At your scheduled time, our skilled technicians will inspect, mark, and photograph all hail damage on your vehicle. Once we're done, you'll get a text, and your vehicle will be ready for pickup anytime before 6 p.m. If your insurance company requires an appraiser visit, no problem. We'll coordinate that for you. You'll simply bring the vehicle back for a quick on-site inspection. After repairs are approved, you'll receive another calendar link to choose your preferred repair day. Just like before, bring your vehicle to the tent in the morning, and we'll get to work. Most repairs are completed in just one day, thanks to our experienced crew working together on your vehicle. If your vehicle needs a bit more time, we'll provide a loaner so you're never without wheels. Once the repair is done, you'll get a text, and your vehicle will be ready for pickup, restored and looking like new, anytime before 6 p.m. So here's a quick recap. You'll start by submitting a quick form and scheduling your inspection. We'll handle the inspection and work with your insurance right at your workplace. You'll choose your repair day, drop off your vehicle in the morning, and pick it up looking brand new, usually the same day. And if needed, we'll provide a loaner. Thanks again for trusting PDR Skilled Crew. We're here to make your auto hail repair experience smooth, professional, and stress-free. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help.